I decided to go thrifting, and I went to 2 different places. I went to like a local thrift store, and then I went to a Goodwill. This was my very first time actually going to the Goodwill here in my town. It's been here for quite a few years now, but I never stepped foot in it. So we're gonna do store by store. Let's start off with this store first. I think I spent under $100 between the 2 stores. I think I spent like 50 something at Goodwill and 40 something at this store. All right. Also, huge name brand finds. So that's like what I'm really, really excited about. And like first up, J. Crew. J. Crew very much reminds me of Ralph Lauren to me, and Ralph Lauren is my favorite designer. And even if I can just like emulate that style, I'll try, not all the time, because you guys know I live in like workout sets, but when I do want to get dressier than that, Ralph Lauren is my go-to. And I found these J. Crew shorts, and they were a size 4, and I said, I'm just gonna grab them. I did not in any way, shape, or form think that I was gonna fit into them. I just thought I'll lose weight and eventually I'll fit into them. Like, that's what I thought. But girl, I came home, it was the first thing I tried on, and it fit me. A section that I love shopping in is the men's section. You can always find so many good things, especially if you like things that are oversized as well. Just really obviously depends on your style and how you want certain things to fit. Just because I'm a medium doesn't mean I'm gonna have all medium clothing in my closet. There's gonna be a wide variety depending on that actual item and how I want it to sit on me. Men's clothing is one of those things where like I can get it in XL, double XL, just depending on what I want to use it for. So here's a prime example. This is a super soft, beautiful blue, navy blue sweatshirt. It's Time and True, which is what? The Walmart brand. That's fine. So soft, there weren't any stains. And for me, I would wear this lounging in the house over a pair of leggings like that, you know, and some fuzzy slippers, like Uggs or something. And that is just so freaking cozy to me. Just having something that's just not tight fitting, you know, sometimes I just don't want clothing to constrict me. I scored Ralph Lauren, and I don't understand why Ralph Lauren is in thrift stores, but like they're lost my gain, my style. But anyways, here is the pattern and the color. This is definitely a fall plaid for me. Here is the little Ralph Lauren signature logo. It's like in a navy blue stitch. And yeah, I would definitely wear this again in the fall. I would not wear this in the winter or spring. And I found this Ralph Lauren, also another button up, another plaid. Now this one is definitely giving spring, right? We're seeing some lilac purples and soft blues and like sage green mix. This is definitely a spring plaid. The horse or the emblem is purple. Then I found Eddie Bauer. This is the first Eddie Bauer piece that I actually have now. It's very wrinkly. I will not be doing a try on of these if I'm being honest, but this Eddie Bauer is just so pretty. Now this is a winter plaid for me with the darker green, the navy blue, and the light yellow in there. This is marked $19.99. It's actually very surprising how marked up this Eddie Bauer is. All right, now I have a bunch of tops that I did get from the women's section. And this is just a cute little crop, probably from Target or something. I just really liked the color. I think this was $1.99. Yeah, like $1.99. That's why I got it, honestly. Because I will just wear this with my workout clothes. You know, some pair of shorts. I'm a jogger, so sports bra underneath. I love the slit on the side. Super cute. Then I found Nike, which I was very excited about. This is really kind of what I wanted to hunt down, was some Nike products. I believe this is the only Nike thing that I ended up walking out with. It's this really pretty soft baby pink, $3.99. And then the back always gets me. It's always my favorite part, and it's like an open back. Like, can you see that? kind of hard to show, but super pretty with the open back. So love that. Next up is this top here, and this one I immediately grabbed for 2 reasons. One, that it was black, 3 reasons. Black, super soft, and I loved the length. Now, I also thought of this from a workout perspective. I just thought I would love to kind of wear this over leggings or something, or maybe cleaning the house. It's a very gorgeous top. Like, there's this huge slit on the side. The thing about it is it has this high neck, and then it's gonna like clasp around your neck there. And then the back has a cutout in the right there as well. I mean, I did not envision this as a blouse or going out kind of top. I envisioned it more from an athletic perspective, just because of how lightweight. You can see that's also see-through. I was really just feeling like I need some good capsule wardrobe options that are just basic. And even though like all my colors are basic and solid, but I really liked this little like charcoal gray top with the button detail there. I just feel like when I do want to wear shorts, like I'm wearing shorts right now with a Ralph Lauren belt, but I feel like I struggle with tops for jean shorts. Or love it. Here's another workout top. This is Champion. It's pretty basic in the front, but the back is where there's detail. So pretty. And then another little like open back moment there. Then here is this black top, which I love. I mean, it's really all the details, like how long that racer back actually goes and drapes right here. Like, that is a long cutout. I really like that. I believe this was a small, yeah, $3.99 for this one. So I just know I'm gonna wear the heck out of this. And sports bras are my favorite item when it comes to working out, like part of workout clothes. Sports bras are my favorite, and then when I do buy sports bras, I love the back detail. So this shirt will really showcase some of my favorite sports bras with the back detail. So let me tell you, I walked into Goodwill and I did it completely wrong. With thrifting, you just have to look at every piece. You have to go through the racks and through the things. Because there was a moment there where I actually put up my cart and I was just like thumbing through and I was like, oh, there's nothing here. And then one after another, all of a sudden my hands are full and I'm like, wait. And I didn't even look through all the racks. So had I have looked through all the racks, I probably would have had double this. But I scored some major good name brand finds at the Goodwill. So let's just go ahead and dive into that as well. Now, Goodwill does things with, maybe your Goodwill's like this, but they don't have price tags. They just put these little tags, and the tags are certain colors, and then I think those colors mean a certain price. So yeah, so like all my long sleeves were $7.99, sleeveless was $4.99, stuff like that. All right, so this first piece, this is White House Black Market. I used to be obsessed with this store in the early 2000s when I had a corporate job. Like, it's where I wanted all of my work outfits from. And I found this beautiful pearl detail top, and it's just so simple. There's enough detail for me, but there's not too much detail, because in too much, it's not for me. I have to be plain. So I was so excited when I found this white tank. I love Zara, and I found this really nice gray high-low long sleeve, $7.99. It's just, again, another super good basic. I can wear this with jean shorts and do an early fall transition. I can wear this over leggings inside the house. I mean, with jeans, with a skirt. Like, I could wear this with so much. Then I found Banana Republic. Like, what? I almost passed up on this piece, but then I was like, you know what? It has that vintage look, that thrifted look, where it looks worn, but it's still in really good condition, and I like that. So that's why I decided to get it. Just so you can see, it has this like, I don't even know. I wouldn't know if you'd call it ribbed, but there's definitely a name for this kind of material. It's just so pretty. I mean, look at this. Banana Republic, it says extra small. I definitely see myself wearing this with jeans. It's gonna be either jean shorts like this with a belt, or it's gonna be jeans. I would not wear this in any other way, not with leggings or anything like that. So it's just a black top, got the slits on the side. I mean, $7.99 for Banana Republic. Okay. Then I have this top. Now this top is Forever 21, also $7.99, right? I think that's kind of what blows my mind. Like, Banana Republic to Forever 21, same price, but like, okay, whatever. I know it's a thrift store and they don't really do things necessarily by brand, but I've been loving the black and white stripe, but it's so hard to find in my opinion. And like, this is just a really good, decent basic. It's very thin. Like, this is just like, there's just hardly any material to it, and I really like that. I'm definitely seeing this tucked into some jean shorts and an early fall, summer to early fall transition moment. So I don't know how else I would wear this, but I always see like that Cape Cod look, and there's always the black and white stripe. Okay, then I found this one, which is a navy. So this one's a navy stripe with the white, but it has these really beautiful gold button details, and this is Jones, New York. So another great brand. But the moment I saw this, I thought this could be a layering moment. I could have on like a quarter zip cable knit over it, and then like the gold and this neckline could be peeking out, you know, kind of thing, more of like that preppier vibe. So I thought it could be a good layering piece, because I don't know that I would wear it on its own, but the gold buttons are just so pretty. But that's what I envision. Then I found this one, another Forever 21, which is, again, surprises me, because when I walk into that store, you know, there's obviously a lot of clothing that are geared towards the younger crowd, although I just want to say this, when buying clothes, you buy whatever the hell you want, like, no judgment. But I struggled to find what I like from Forever 21. I found this cute little black top with but it's black, like you already know I'm gonna love it because I just live in black. And this just really surprised me. So beats me, but it's such a cute top. I could see myself wearing this. Is definitely gonna be over shorts and jeans, even like a jean skirt or something that would be really cute with. Then I found this little top. It's just a nice, good basic. It's in this brand called Socialite. Have no idea about this brand, if I'm being honest. I think this was $3.99, but it's just a good little black spaghetti strap blouse. I feel like I need more of this in my closet personally. You could also go very 90s if you want to, and put like a fitted white t-shirt with like some cap sleeves, and that would be really cute. Here's another one. This is H&M. I was also very excited for this. It's another black top. You can see the trim on the neckline and the sleeves. So pretty. Again, just a good basic. But each little piece, you know, has its own unique thing to it. You know, whether I want it to be a thicker strap or a spaghetti strap or whatever. I know I have probably a million black tops in my closet, but they're all different on their own. I think this was $4.99. And then the very last piece is Abercrombie & Fitch. Like, all of these brands, crazy. And yet again, another basic. This is just what I need to build in my wardrobe. I just need to see basic things like this. It's just a black top. And I don't know who needs to hear this, but Abercrombie & Fitch has actually changed drastically. It is such a great place to shop. I would say that for me, I feel like Abercrombie & Fitch is kind of mirroring Banana Republic. So if, let's say you're in your 40s like me, and you think Abercrombie & Fitch is not for you, go on their website. It could surprise you. It could surprise you. So they did a whole new facelift. Because Abercrombie & Fitch, to like what I remember it in my teenage years, very different to what I feel like it is now. So anyways, that's that. Yeah, all really good basics. So I ended up spending $57.82 at the Goodwill. I think what really contributed to that was all the long sleeves. They were each $7.99. But that's it. I feel like I really did do a pretty good major score of some good pieces with some detail, with some character, and then a lot of really basics, which I feel like my closet really needed as well. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my thrift store haul, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.